Hi everyone, welcome back to another Workshop Wednesday. Our licensed mental health counselor, Jen Evans, kicked off the week talking about waves of life and waves of change and how we can ground into the present moment to really understand our anchor. And that's what this Workshop Wednesday is about this week. So we're going to do a meditation that's rooted in these feelings of anchoring and find out what our anchor is. I'm Emma, I have a master's in psychology, and I'm a certified health coach looking to bridge the gap between research and you. So let's get started on this meditation. We can close our eyes gently, finding a comfortable seated position. Relaxing the muscles of the face, maybe wiggling the jaw side to side, relaxing the tension in the eyebrows, the shoulders, just taking a moment to check in with your body right now. Are there any places you're holding tension? Noticing the tension and releasing, even if it's just mentally. We'll breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Deepest, slowest one of the day. In through the nose. Out through the mouth. Taking a moment now to really focus on your seated position. Noticing where you're contacting the floor or the chair or the mat that you're sitting on. Feeling gravity pull you towards center. Feeling and checking in on your internal space. Starting to think about the word grounding. Maybe this is something you've heard in a yoga class or when you're reading about meditation or in psychology. This term bringing you to a feeling of roots. Of stability. Then picturing in your mind's eye something that feels grounding to you, that makes you feel stable, calm, and right here, right now, in the present moment. What is the temperature of the air there? What does it smell like? How does the ground feel? Are you inside? Are you outside? Letting this be your anchor, your energetic centering. Taking the time and the space to reflect on what that is for you. Just taking this intentional moment to be with this centering space. Understanding that finding this space and creating it for yourself is something that is a part of the journey for well-being. That it won't always be there exactly at the right time that you need it right in the beginning, but you're building this practice, building this space to come back to ground and center. Taking an inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Giving yourself a little hug or pat on the back for showing up today for yourself, for your goals, and continuing to do so. You can open up your eyes. If you'd like, there are some more reflection questions that will be on the screen. You can pull out a journal and just fill those out if you feel like it. These are part of the monthly challenge. Thank you so much for joining me today on this Workshop Wednesday, and I look forward to seeing you next time.